Smoke tips, boys, on this lovely day. Just wanted to point out real quick while I was up here something that may get overlooked sometimes. You're right here on your valves, your service valves, these valve packing. Some of these are adjustable, okay? You can put a wrench on these. This one's tight, but these things are notorious for leaking. Always check those, guys. They're a very, very common source of leak. Just all you gotta do is put your adjustable wrench on them or whatever, tighten them up. They come loose. They make rebuild kits you can get from too, but normally you just tighten them and they're fine. Make sure your cap's back on, and that's it. You know, but just wanted to point that out just for another little short video for the quick tip series here I'm doing, guys. As always, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like what's going on. I'll catch you boys on the next one.